All right, WMC, sorry for the delay on the video, but this is the video to find the winner of Jake's Brewers Charlie Brown. So we'll check the time, July 27th at 10:29 p.m. We're going to go over to the break and type live. The break, the raffle and type live. Geez, sorry. Got breaks on the mind. So July 27th at 10:29 p.m. There's the list of our 10 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever comes out on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. That's not going to work. 5 times. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is John J. Spot 7 is your winner. So, John, please get with Matt to collect your Charlie Brown. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, July 27th at 10:29 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.